the other fundamental value that is essential for nature communication is respect. And by respect, I mean to position oneself at the same level with the honeybee colony, the horse, the tree that you want to interact with. I'm not superior, I'm not inferior, I am on the same plane with all my differences. I'm worth the same. And it's easy to say, but it can be tricky to actually feel it fully, embody it, this eye-to-eye level. And when this is done, there's a click happening, like a frequency matching, and a space of interaction is created by humbling oneself to the divine that is in front of us. And it's the same remotely. If I want to communicate with a beehive that is at a distance, even miles away, countries away, I set my intention and find this place of respect. Greet the beehive and be open for what wants to come. If I want to communicate with an animal that is deceased, same thing happening. I click into that space of respect and I open my system for communication to flow. If I don't know the animal personally, then it's much easier to have a picture. Like if someone connects with me and they have a cat that disappeared, seeing a picture and having their name will help my intuitive self following a pathway through space and time and connecting with this animal, whether alive or diseased, and receive information from them.